So, totally random. My fence broke again. And I didn't want to do that myself because I did a temporary fix a couple months ago and it's a lot of work. So I'm going to show you pictures real quick of how it looks now because it's fixed. It's fixed. If you need a general contractor and you're in Woodbridge, Virginia, call Steve. I'm going to put his information in the description. He does a lot of general contractor stuff. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a shout out, Steve. Thank you so much for helping me out with my fence. I don't know how long I would have left it broken. I would have eventually tried to do it myself, but it would not have been a good job.